At Aerostar Manufacturing, we provide sourcing as well as manufacturing solutions to our clients. From simple to very complex engineered components, we do them all. Today, we'll talk about a stainless steel housing precision machine that we are making for one of our clients. Many months ago, one of our clients approached us. They wanted to resource a part out of China. They were having supply chain issues there, and they were facing manufacturing costs which were rising. Along with a tariff of 25%, this was a loss-making part for them.
This part is a very complex tight tolerance part. It uses proprietary stainless steel alloy. It has complex cross intersecting machine features. We used advanced thermal deburring to remove minute machining burrs. We also laser part mark the parts and we added traceability into the 2D barcode matrix. The tolerance of this part is extremely tight. We have some 5 micron or less flatness features, as well as some less than 10 micron feature size. And finally, several of the surface finishes are very controlled as well.
Thank you, Robert. Kenny, what's the process from the time we get a quote from our customer to getting them the quote back?
Well, what we do is we take the part, we give it a review on the specifications and the materials. We determine if it's going to be an ideal fit for domestic or with our overseas partners. For this particular part, we chose our overseas partners. We went through the drawings and specifications with them, answered any and all questions. They submitted their pricing to us. In turn, we offered our customer a full supply chain management system for this, and they found up to a 25% cost savings by going with us on the part.
That's great. Kenny, how long does it take for us to provide a final quote to our customers after we get the quote?
On average, about 2 to 4 weeks, but typically it goes around 3 weeks.
Okay. Well, thanks.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Kenny. After successfully field testing these parts, the customer placed orders for PPAP parts and then production lots. Now we supply parts out of India to our warehouse in the US and release to our customers as per their EDI. If you have a part that needs manufacturing, contact us. You can go to our website, use our portal to upload the drawings, or find a contact information for one of our engineers. Thank you.